In this video, I'll show you how to enable and use the powerful Clipboard History feature in Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing, liking, and sharing the video. The Clipboard History feature is incredibly helpful. It saves multiple items that you copy so you can access them again later, preventing you from losing important text or links. To enable the Clipboard History feature, right-click on the Windows Start menu icon and select Settings from the list. In the System section, scroll down until you find the Clipboard option and click on it. And now, simply turn on the toggle for Clipboard History. You can now see your Clipboard history at any time by pressing the Windows key plus V together. It's empty right now because we haven't copied anything since enabling it. Let's copy some text. And now press the shortcut again. As you can see, the text I just copied appears right here, ready to be used again.